The world as it's commonly known has crumbled. Alliances that held since the end of World War II? Gone. All the traditional assumptions about who's on whose side? Gone. But you know, every crisis is an opportunity. Like the man said, chaos is a ladder.
Gotta wonder how Kincaid evaded all detection. His forces bypassed early warning systems, weren't revealed on ISR. How'd he do that?
Maybe they're pros. Maybe the same way you got inside my house.
They came in like ghosts and executed hundreds of decorated Brits. Hard bastards.
They got rolled. Even worse than I did. Georgia was a Pearl Harbor attack. Gibraltar was worse.
They had new tech, and you didn't tell us.
I did not withhold intel about PAX tech.
None of the countries supporting PAX make shit that could mask that kind of entrance.
But we do, though. Don't we?
Were you here on orders? I wasn't able to make contact with you. Whose assignment is this?
What happened to trust me like I trust you? You know, like in Cairo. You don't trust us? That hurts, Mills.
Of course I trust you. That's why I sent you to Cairo. I knew you could handle little things like an impending civil war.
And the Egyptian president cutting a deal with PAX to help the army. And Fayek Salim selling intel to PAX.
I wasn't sure about Salim. That's why I needed you for confirmation.
But you guessed Georgia was a heist. PAX was there to steal something from us.
Yes. I had to find out if they were willing to use it against us. We had one good unit on the ground. Special Missions Unit 777 under Ibrahim Al-Khatib.
First time in Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
I was warned you, right?
The Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since PAX became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had PAX's boots on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
PAX came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots. Oh, Mar.
I can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel. In out clean.
I admire your confidence.
So the Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biometrics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like PAX ain't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew PAX were closing in, so he brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture, copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall, but for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never do plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. M-Lock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3. We're commencing infill now. We'll report once we reach the target location. Over.
Understood. Dagger, NVG's on. Murphy, hold your fire! Murphy, it's the lock. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent.
Packs above. Hold your fire.
Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge. The serious business happens in private, financing packs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? It looked like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the Academy.
Yeah, well, I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria. Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
It was an SAS and Delta joint op. Gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons.
Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed the UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. The kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Listen. Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call.
Contact above.
That's Sisto in Gibraltar. Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. Your pack's fucking Armata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Ahead.
You see anyone outside there with guns? The army won't do shit. Get your head in the game.
Yeah, maybe. All right, let's move.
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
Iowa, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Patrol incoming. On your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. We don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that. Right, Murph?
Yeah. I get it.
عالم مجنون ولع والمنتزيكا مستنيني ابيع له عبطه.
Stay low. Back's patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
Clear to engage?
More packs around the corner.
Take him out. Quietly.
Fuck, they are still.
Stay alert. More nearby.
Four hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around?
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger, on my mark.
Ready. Now.
Nicely done, cowboys. Clear ahead. Take the left and then turn right.
Why do we get stuck with patrol?
Cross the road, fast. Do not engage.
Alcatraz, we got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Scouting now.
Has. You see what I'm seeing?
Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
No. It's not the first time they've slipped SAT cover.
The wall.
Alcatraz, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark on your tack.
Roger, moving.
Carter, I can't risk getting in closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Alcatraz. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle.
Careful. Weapons ready. Take him out.
Hemlock, copy.
Reading you, Carter. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs are in the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Packs in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows.
Breaker's down here. Lope, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicks in.
You heard the man, no time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Ammo crate, resupply.
Take the ammo.
This place is gonna go up in flames!
Along with our asset if we don't push on.
This floor is clear. Sweep upstairs. Move! Assets not on this floor. Upstairs. Move!
Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here somewhere.
Get to Murphy! He's down! Cover me! Reloading!
Patching you up!
Thanks! Grenade! Incoming!
This room.
Ammo, right there. Room clear.
Anything?
Nada.
We need to move!
We're compromised.
Nothing changes. Push on. Noise keeps from the end of the corridor. Move!
Murph, check the door.
Deadbolt.
Now!
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left!
Clear. Let's get to work.
Oh, jeez.
Is it our guy?
Yeah. Damn it, it's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us. We're friendlies.
Mills. She promised me.
I'm sorry, we need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
What?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon.
Yeah. Think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Has.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast.
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go. Game time, boys.
Sorry, Salim.
Got a whole ass. Head to the exfil.
Fire spreading. So much for our exit point.
Got no visibility.
Drop down there! Let's move!
We gotta get to the garden!
that way. Take this ammo! Over here! Out to the garden!
Front!
Friendly hit!
Take position!
Do not get cornered here. Clear this area for the RC.
Copy!
Copy!
Exit through the gate at the rear.
Front! Covering! I'm reloading! Heavy gunner, eliminate! Oscar Mike!
Al-Khatib, you read?
Roger, Dagger. Bax's comms are blazing.
We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready?
Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the main event.
The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky!
See, maybe it's ground control. Maybe it is. Murph, take point. Move.
Use the buildings as cover.
Through here. Move!
Civilians up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Kyra's on a knife's edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight.
This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play them.
Gotta admire their resilience. The city's on fire, but that's not stopping them.
I guess they need a distraction.
Who knows what's next? Packs are getting bolder and bolder.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel, moving to the exfil now. Over.
And Salim?
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
All that matters is the intel bag at 1-3. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy.
We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle. Holy shit! Fuck! Take cover!
Into the souk! Move! Civilians in the AO. Check your fire.
Oscar Mike. Shotgun! 20 meters! Shotgun is down! Down! Patch me up!
Carter's down!
Keep calm. You're gonna make it.
Thanks!
Reloading!
Dead center,
MG down!
Got that ammo.
Helo's down! Get down! Now!
Keep pushing!
Cover fire! Reloading!
This way! Through the building!
Got a grenade here.
Ammo over there! Got a grenade here!
On me! Cut through this building!
Al-Khatib, the exfil.
The losses will be felt. But we will not lose anyone else today.
Need a new link up. Moving through the souk under heavy fire.
There's a plaza. One quick south.
Plaza.
House is down!
Taking fire! Covering! Grab that ammo.
Bradley's been shot. 30 meters. Enemy! On the right!
I need help. I'm hit.
Enemy flanking right!
Enemy in cover!
I can't make it. Need help. Spare weapon. To the right! In here! Fast!
Load up, drop down.
Medic supplies, right here!
Helo's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Got an ID tag here.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
Rear!
Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Shit the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Gecko!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit in the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our sticks. On your feet, Marine. Ammo crate, resupply. Contact! Engaging!
There!
Sound coming from that direction.
Cover! Threat neutralized. Reload!
Target their cover!
Dagger, we have a problem. Hilo circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man!
Incoming!
Get the cover!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
Good.
Same here.
Nothing new. Al-Khatib, ETA?
5 mics.
Behind you! Sniper! At distance! Top side! Reloading!
Targets! They're coming!
Reloading! Heavy gunner eliminated!
Reloading!
Front! Sniper! Long range! Top
Sniper
side.
eliminated!
Go, go, go!
Enemy in cover! Weapons free!
Keep going! Don't let up!
Patching you up.
Reshoot! Reload!
Dagger, gunship back inbound.
Gecko, help me move Lopez now! Into that building, move!
Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger!
Roger that.
Could use this. Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph! Go light that bird up! We're holed up in a 2-story building back of the plaza. Get down! Murphy, hit that thing! Hit it when I draw its fire!
Hit it again!
Contact! Packs entering the plaza!
Advance!
Sniper eliminated!
Set.
Reloading!
That bird is coming back! It's hovering! Take your shot! Solid hit! Bring it down!
Murphy, Pax is closing in! Far side!
I need cover fire! Reloading!
Enemy down!
still got that intel, Loeb?
Yeah, I got it.
What's next, Taz?
That RFID chip to Mills. See what Pax have in store for us next.